welcome to Henry's vlog.
Siya nagsalita para sa akin eh.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more
Cheers.
I think, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken heart.
Hi everyone!
I'm Jem.
Kesha pa! So
now,
today,
We ended tonight. We ended our hot air balloon carnival
Flying Carnival 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
It's our first experience. So how's your experience?
Medyo,
Medyo but the end is yeah.
ganda yung PM event.
So Ultimate is here.
Yeah. Thank you, Ultimate Key.
Thank you,
Sinundan niya ako
Ultimate
kaya
Key.
hindi ako makapagreklamo sa event.
Okay, so ano yung mga sinabi nila?
Experience.
Okay.
Stop sa namin.
So, kamusta na may experience sa hot air balloon?
Una, it's like but fireworks.
Fireworks is
Wait,
okay.
it's madilim.
It's madilim, no? Kahit ngayon, madilim siya eh. Hindi makita yung dalawang to eh.
Fireworks save
Wow,
the
wow.
day.
Okay.
Magbabay na tayo sa vlog natin na feel ko hindi ko magagawa.
Go.
Bye-bye!
Ciao.
Ciao!
Sinking